Hi, my name's Molly, and I'm with U.S. Bank Home Mortgage. Wait a second. This isn't good enough. Hold on. I think this is better. So, a little bit of fresh air, right? Welcome, and I hope you're having a great day. You're probably here because you're interested in possibly buying a home. Primary, maybe an investment property, vacation home, or even that vacant lot of land. Couple different keys I'd like to chat with you about. Number one, get pre-qualified. Instead of shopping and kind of looking around, make sure that you qualify for what you're shopping for, right? So, you wouldn't go buy a car without knowing that you had the money to buy a car. Well, buying a home is no different. It's just a much bigger investment. So make sure you get pre-qualified. It's super important. A, gives you confidence to know that you can afford what you're shopping for. And two, it lets the real estate agents and sellers know that you're serious about buying and that you're good for the money. And three, deals happen really fast in this market, so you want to be ready. If you find that dream home, you want to be ready to make that offer. So, pre-qualifications, again, super important in 2021 to make sure that you're getting what you deserve, the best property, the best deal. Number two, there are so many different programs available. I would love to chat with you a little bit about your specific scenario and see what we have available for you to make sure that you're in the right program. So, and then number three, have fun, shop with confidence. Make sure that you are getting the good deal. Make sure that you are buying a home that you can see yourself in tomorrow, and that it's not an impulsive buy. This is a forever, or this is a 30-year relationship. You wouldn't jump into a marriage on a dime. So, do your research and make sure you know exactly what you're looking for ahead of going out and home shopping. And that way you can kind of keep yourself accountable to what you're doing, what you're looking for. U.S. Bank has plenty of different programs. Again, so I'm going to show you a short little video on a few different things that we offer. Take a look.
How do I pick the right mortgage? Well, start by looking at your options. First, there are fixed-rate mortgage loans. With a required minimum down payment, these loans lock you into a long-term interest rate for the entire length of the loan. And that might be appealing if you're looking to settle down. Or adjustable-rate mortgage loans. These loans often start with a lower interest rate than a fixed-rate mortgage at first, but the interest rate will change after an initial fixed-rate period. The low initial interest rate could work well if you plan to relocate or make improvements and resell. There's also FHA mortgage loans. These government-backed loans give you flexibility with a low down payment and the stability of a fixed rate. Though they require an additional monthly mortgage insurance premium, they may offer homebuyers with an easier qualification process. Last, VA mortgage loans. If you or your spouse is in the military or a veteran, these loans may be the best choice. With options for fixed or adjustable rate mortgages, these loans typically have low interest rates and low to no down payment options. There are more mortgage loan programs, but with these four and the help of your loan officer, you can start to compare and see what might be best for you.
Still have questions? I have more info. Here's a video about the process.
What's the process for buying a house? There are many paths a homebuyer can take in purchasing a home. In general, it really comes down to these 3 steps and your mortgage loan officer helping you through the process. First, pre-qualification. Think of this as a preliminary discussion of how much you may be able to qualify to borrow, based on the available loan programs and information you provide. While not required to complete the purchase, with this figure, you can work out what down payment and monthly payments you can afford, and you can ask for a pre-qualification letter that helps you move forward with the home buying process, and show sellers you are serious about making an offer. Second, there's pre-approval, which is when the lender customizes the specific loan amount for you. The lender reviews lots of your financial information, including a credit check, your income, and other documents you'll provide. At that point, the lender may be able to offer a conditional approval for a specific loan amount. Now you can shop for your home, and you'll negotiate a sales price. And third, there's the final approval. This is the formal loan approval for the home you've picked. Before this, an appraisal will be completed. You'll choose a title company and set a closing date. After you sign all the papers at closing, you'll be ready to move in. You can relax a little, knowing these 3 steps, while your mortgage loan officer can help remember all of the details for you. It all becomes more manageable, especially the part where you get to move in.
Well guys, I hope you found my videos informative. If you have any questions or would like to walk through your scenario with me, please feel free to reach out. Molly Flores with US Bank, 949-633-9534. Looking forward to talking with you and helping you into your new home. Cheers and Happy New Year.